Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super beautiful greeting card using paper quilling strips, and here I am showing you how to make this gorgeous wisteria flower along with the textured background in the purple color, and this is looking very pretty. This is very easy to make as well, and I will share each and every step in detail how to create this. And this is a greeting card, so you can use this for any occasion. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the wisteria flower. So for the bigger petal here, I'm taking 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. So we need total 3 teardrops to create one petal. Now joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using white color strip. So the petal is ready, and now I am doing little bit of shading work from the edge using purple color. So before doing the coloring, I am just wetting the petal using water and then applying the purple watercolors only on the tip. Then spread it nicely using water and brush. And it should look like this. So with the similar method, I have prepared total 8 petals to create one wisteria flower. Now to create hanging of the wisteria, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark purple color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. So here we need total 4 to 5 petals in dark purple color, then 4 petals in medium purple and 4 petals in light purple color. Then taking back the bigger petals, and I am joining 2 petals together. So doing it for 3 times. Then connecting these pairs with each other. And then in the center I am attaching 2 more petals. So it will be the top portion of the wisteria flower. Then to create the bottom hanging stem, here I am taking 1/4 strip of green color. This is the sap green color in 3 mm. Dividing in 3 equal parts and connecting with each other using glue to make the thick stem. Just curving it little bit, sticking it exactly in the center of the bigger petals, and then start attaching all the other small petals which we have created. So starting from the light purple, then medium purple, and then at the end I am adding dark purple petals. And the one wisteria flower is ready. So with the same method, I have prepared total 3 wisteria flowers for my today's card, and also I prepared some bottom hangings only to extend my wisteria flower bunch. So all the flowers are ready. Now it's time to create the leaves. To create one leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark green color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Now I am joining 1/4 strip of sap green color bended leaf with this, and to create one leaf we need total 5 petals. So joining all 5 together and making the leaf. And it should look like this, just wiping out any glue mark immediately using wet brush and with the same method I have prepared lots of leaves already. Then here to prepare my textured paste, here I am taking talcum powder, here I am taking baby powder, added little bit of white acrylic color and few dots of liquid glue. Then mixing it very well using palette knife to create smooth paste. Then taking here white color cardstock base, which is 9 by 19 centimeters, and using this beautiful stencil by iCraft, I am making my own texture design. So you can use any kind of stencil, whatever design you have, it doesn't matter. I am just showing you how you can create your own textured card base. Now just apply the handmade texture paste on top of the stencil using palette knife. Spread it evenly, and I am just skipping the corners of the card as it is. I just wanted to add the texture randomly on the card. Like this. Then slowly removing the stencil, and tada! Beautiful texture has been printed. Then after drying the texture paste, here I am taking again same light purple color watercolor shade and applying it in the corner of the card from both the sides, spreading it evenly using water and brush to give nice ombre effect. And our own pattern paper is ready. Then adding few splashes of dark purple color here and there just to give it little shabby chic look. And this is done. Then taking a 20 by 20 centimeters white color cardstock, folding it from center. This is having 300 GSM thickness, and on top of this I am adding 9.5 by 19.5 centimeters purple cardstock, which is having 200 GSM thickness. Then on top of this I am adding my handmade paper. And our card base is ready. Then to create stems of the flower, here I am taking sap green color strip, taking half strip here, just folding it from center, attach it using glue. Again fold it from center and attach it using glue so that we will have thick stem. And this is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more stem already in little bigger size. Now taking back the card base, and it's time to arrange our wisteria flowers. So first I am attaching two wisteria in the bottom, and in between two, on top of this I am adding one wisteria in the center, which will have little dimension. like this. Then I am attaching these hangings in the bottom so that it will look like lots of wisteria flowers are there and which are hanging. Then attaching the stem. And after that I am adding my handmade leaves here and there on the top. Then just to fill small gaps, I am adding here simple leaf shapes which are made using 1/8 strip of sap green color in 3 mm. Like this. Then in the bottom and on the top portion I am attaching here light purple color strip just to highlight my card little more. It will give nice balance to the card. You can skip this step, but I just wanted to add it. And then here and there randomly I am adding few stones or rhinestones in light purple and dark purple color. And at the end I am adding the sentiment hello, which I have cut on gold mirror cardstock using my Easy Cuts machine. This is a die by Dress My Craft. And our super gorgeous wisteria flower greeting card is ready. You can write the special message to your nearer or dearer ones for any occasion. Isn't it looking very pretty? So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.